Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I will tell you how the crude price has moved in the last week and how the crude price can move. See, in the next week what we can see that the crude price, I have already told you that the price, if it goes below a level of 75 or 77. Why 77? Because 77 is a 7-year high. If the price sustained for 5-10 minutes before this level, we can expect that it could have gone to 675. And if 75 didn't sustain this level, then we would have seen that it could have reached a level of 72 also. And if we look at the chart, we have seen that the price have reached a level of 72.5. Okay, now what you can see looking at the chart, see a opposite U pattern is forming. So every time it hits this support, because these supports are already tested here twice and thrice, and which has made the support a much weaker thing. So what we have to understand here is that it has gone continuously down. Okay, before that, if you have any doubt regarding crude position, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com or a mail ID I have given in the description. Okay, please watch the full video, then you will understand how this technical in crude is working. Okay, and if you wish to join my Telegram channel, link I have given in the description, you can join. Now look at the chart from this range. Okay, I have already told you that the price of crude was moving very in a particular range. So once this range will break, we can see a sharp fall. Okay, and you can check my previous video also. I have categorically told you that if the price fall below a level of 77, then chances will be very high, we can see it can go further low. Okay, so now what we can see for the next week, see, if you look at the chart, we have seen few red candles, and red candle, one thing I have to tell you that if the red candles continuously 3 or 4 red candle we can see, then there is a probability that the fourth, if we have seen that 3 candles are green, then the fourth candle most probably be green. Is it what is said in the charts? We can see this is a pattern forming, okay, in the upside. But if it goes in the downside, we can see the pattern is forming in the downside, and the fourth candle can also be a red one. So now what we can see here, the price is moving at around 73.16. and why it has moved? Because a support is being tested at this level. Okay, a strong support coming at around 72.5. again, from there we have seen a green candle is forming. So suppose if the price sustain at this level, then we can see it can go and touch a level of 73.7, and from there, if it sustain above this level, okay, then chances are high that we can see a level of 74.44 also. Okay, suppose if the price sustain at this level, means suppose if it sustain a level of 74.4, then we can see it can go and touch a level of 74.84. okay, and if the price sustain of this level, then we can see it can go and touch a level of 75.18, and from there we can see it can go and touch a level of 75.52. if the price comes close to 75.52, and then we have seen that this resistance is already tested here, so chances are high we can see it can go and touch a level of 76.71. keep this in mind that if the price goes above a level 75.5, then we can see it can touch a level of 76.7, which is its high, its 7-year high, or 77.6 or 77.7. okay, now what we can see, if the price sustain above this level, then chances will be very high it can go and touch a level of 77.17. suppose if the price sustain above this level, then we can see it can go and touch a level of 78.19, and from there we can see it can go further upside. okay, suppose if the price sustain at this level, because this is the level these already tested twice, so once we can see a round upside movement, then we can see surety we can see a four movement in the upside. okay, so suppose if the price sustain above this level of about 76.71, then we can see it can go and touch a level of 77.34, and if the price sustain above this level, then we can see it can go and touch a level of 77.79, and if it sustain above this level, then we can see chances are high we can see a level of 78.31. okay, once this level is crossed upside, then we can see chances are high we can see a level of 78.7, and from there we can see it can go and touch a level of 79.93. If it comes close to 79.93, then chances are high we can see it can go and touch a level of 80.07. okay, once if it comes to this level, then we can see a further upside in the price of crude, and can touch a level of 80.58, and from there we can see it can go further upside to a level of 81.43. okay, and if the price goes above this level, then we can see it can go and touch a level of 81.7, and from there we can see it can go and touch a level of 82.23. okay, and from there we can see it can go and touch a level of 82.85, and then we can see a level of 83.36. okay, and if the price comes close above a level of 82, then we can see will be high chances it can go and touch a level of 84.5 also, and from there we can see it can go and touch a level of 85.5. okay, so chances will be very high that we can see a bounce back from this level, because it's a all-time high. okay, not all-time high, it's 7-year again a new high it will come, and from there if we see a bounce back, then if it comes again at this level, then we can see a further upside movement. And you can check my previous video. If the price goes above a level of 86, I will make a new video. Suppose if the price didn't sustain this level, what is trading at now, 73.21, so chances are high we can see a level of 72.5. okay, and if the price goes below this level, then we can see chances are high it can go and touch a level of 71.54, and if it goes below this level, then we can see it can go and touch a level of 70.46, and if it goes below this level, then we can see it can go and touch a level of 69.61, and from there we can see it can go and touch a level of 68.7. okay, and if the price didn't sustain that level, then chances are high it can go and touch a level of 68, and from there we can see a level of 67.74 also. okay, so once the price goes below a level of 68, then only we can see it can go further low, but as of now if it sustains above a level of 70.58, then we can see it can go further upside, but as of now what we can see, it is coming in the downside. okay, suppose if it sustain a level of 73.14, then we can see it can go bounce back from this level, or if it goes below this level, then we can see it can go and touch a level 71.2, and from there we can see a level of 70.64, and if it goes below this level, then we can see a level of 69.67, and from there we can see a level of 68.42. once the price comes close to 68.42, then beyond the then there is a probability that it can go further low to a level of, because all these levels are tested, so we can see it can go and touch a level of 66 also, and once 66 is touched, then we can see it can go further low to a level of 64.92. so any doubt you can mail me, and I have already given my mail ID in the description. We can do workshop also if you are willing to learn. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, please subscribe it. Thank you.